In this section of the tutorial, you'll be learning how to make a workflow script run on both a mobile device and the server. You might not have noticed if the Wi-Fi connection on your device is high-powered enough, but the changes that your workflow scripts make to the reference data take some time to show up in the dashboard form. This is because the mobile device has to submit the form data to the server. The workflow script has to run and process the form submission data, and the mobile device has to download the modified reference data before the new data can appear on the device. What's worse, in the real world, mobile users typically use their flimsy and unreliable mobile data connection instead of a more robust Wi-Fi connection. Don't panic though, you can easily speed up the workflow dramatically and make sure that it doesn't stop even when the user has no reception. Make the workflow scripts run on the mobile device and change the reference table locally before the form submission data is sent to the server for processing. You want the same workflow scripts to first run on the mobile device and present the changed reference data to the user so that he or she can go on with the workflow even when offline. Then, at the first opportunity, the form will get submitted to the cloud, and the same script will run on the server to implement the user's reference data changes in the cloud. You may wonder why you need to run the same script twice. It's because the data in the cloud always has priority over local data on mobile devices. If you didn't make the same changes locally as globally, all the local changes would be lost the next time your mobile device syncs with the cloud. The process ends when the user's device downloads the changed data from the cloud. In most cases, the data coming from the server-side script is identical to the result of the local processing. The point of having a local workflow script is to allow the workflow to go on just the same even without a network connection. To make server-side scripts run on the mobile device as well, and so allow the workflow to go on even without a network, you won't need to write another script. You only need to modify the ones that you have. It's much easier than you think. All it takes is the single client keyword inserted right before the server program declaration. This keyword specifies that the script should run on the mobile device first. After overwriting your original scripts, republish the solution. To test whether the workflow scripts now indeed run on your device first, go and switch off Wi-Fi on your phone or tablet. Tap Confirm for a new task on the Wi-Fi list device and see what happens. You shouldn't see any difference. The workflow scripts run on the device and process the data before the system attempts to connect to the server to synchronize. Sooner or later, you'll have to switch the internet back on, but you can still go on with the workflow while offline. Neat!